Media and communication jobs, vocabulary, occupation, description, journalist, researches and reports, news stories for TV, print, or online media, editor, reviews and revises, content for clarity, grammar, and accuracy, content writer, creates written content for blogs, websites, and publications, copywriter, writes persuasive content for advertisements and marketing, social media manager, manages social media accounts and creates content to engage audiences, public relations specialist, manages the public image and communications of individuals or organizations, media planner, develops strategies for placing ads in various media platforms, TV producer, oversees the production of television programs, managing budgets and logistics. Radio host, presents radio programs, engaging audiences through live or recorded broadcasts. News anchor, presents news stories on television or radio. Broadcast technician, operates equipment for live broadcasts on TV or radio. Videographer, films video content for events, ads, or documentaries. Video editor, assembles and edits video footage into a finished product. Photojournalist, captures images that tell news stories for media outlets. Scriptwriter, writes scripts for films, TV shows, or other media productions. Graphic designer, creates visual content for marketing, media, and branding. Animator, produces animations for media, advertisements, or entertainment. Sound engineer, manages audio recording and mixing for media productions. Voice actor, provides voiceovers for characters, advertisements, or audiobooks. Podcaster, creates and hosts audio shows on various topics. Advertising manager, oversees ad campaigns, coordinating with creative teams and clients. Creative director, leads the creative vision for media campaigns and projects. Media analyst, studies media trends and audience engagement to guide strategies. Event coordinator, plans and manages media-related events like product launches or press conferences. Digital marketer, promotes brands or products using online platforms like social media and websites. Film director, oversees the creative and technical aspects of making a film. Broadcast journalist, reports news live from events or interviews for TV or radio. Publicist, promotes clients, ensuring positive media coverage and brand reputation. Marketing specialist, develops strategies to promote products or services through media. Media buyer, purchases advertising space in media outlets for clients. Brand strategist, develops branding and positioning strategies for businesses. Event photographer, captures images during live media or promotional events. Film critic, reviews and critiques movies for publications or online platforms. Columnist, writes opinion pieces or regular articles for newspapers or magazines. Blogger, creates written or multimedia content for online blogs on various topics. Influencer, Promotes brands or products through social media platforms. Media consultant. Advises businesses on media strategies and public communication. Communication specialist. Manages internal and external communication for organizations. News producer. Coordinates and produces news programs for TV or online platforms. Campaign manager. Oversees media campaigns for political, social, or marketing purposes. Check the description for more links to English vocabulary videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content.